Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review SnapEdit. So SnapEdit is an AI photo editor that can transform your dull and blurry photos into clear images. Other than that, it can also remove various objects. The objects could be human or something else on your photo that you want to remove. And the best part is in terms of marking the objects, the AI can do it automatically, which means it can automatically detect how many humans or how many different objects you have on your image, and then you can select those objects in order to remove them. SnapEdit can also upscale your image by 2x or even 4x. You can also remove the background of your images using SnapEdit. And another great feature is that SnapEdit is going to sync across all your devices, so you can use it on the web as well as on your mobile phone. And this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $100, but at Appsumo you're getting this tool at only $39. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the tiers, all the plans that you can buy from Appsumo, and on the left side you can see all of the features. So first of all, we have this tier 1. It is going to cost $39. Here you get 2,500 monthly credits. So this credit is going to be used when you edit a photo. For example, if you remove the background from an image, 1 credit is going to be deducted from your account. So this is how the credits are going to work. So on the tier 2, that is going to cost $99. You are going to get a lot of credits, 7,500. And on the tier 3, the cost is going to be $199 and the credit is once again massive, 20k. And the highest tier is this tier 4. It is going to cost $299 and the credit is 40k or 40,000. And keep in mind that for batch processing, you're going to get bonus credits. So what is batch processing exactly? So using this feature, you can process a lot of photos at once. You can bulk edit your photos using this feature. So when you use this, you're going to spend a lot of credits, and that's why you're going to get some bonus on certain tiers, but that is not available on the tier 1. But on 2, you're going to get 500 bonus, on tier 3 1,500, and on tier 4 3,000. And then there are some features that are going to be available on all of the tier. So there is 4x upscale image, and then removing your objects, remove backgrounds. You're going to get the best image quality. Once you export them, there is going to be no watermark. You're not going to see any of the ads. You're going to get access to the iOS and Android app, and then you're going to get all the advanced AI features, that is magic enhance, super remove object, skin, and more. And you're also going to get all the non-AI features such as compress image, convert image, add watermark, all of this. And you can also export your images in PNG up to 5,000 pixels. So if you want to buy SnapEdit on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I go to SnapEdit and show you how this tool is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. Okay, so here is the roadmap, and on the left side you can see all of the features that they are going to add to the platform. So run photo enhance in a queue, AI change hair color, AI expand, AI face swap. So there are going to be a lot of exciting features that are upcoming, as you can see on here. And then there are some features that are currently in progress, which means they are going to be added soon. So AI magic enhancer, AI video enhancer. So this video enhancer is going to be amazing. I'm pretty sure about that. And then design template, allow user to select image format, image restyle, and so many other features that are going to be added soon. And these are all the features that have been already deployed on the platform. So now let me go to the dashboard of SnapEdit. Once you log into SnapEdit, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one, and this is a super simple dashboard. As you can see on top, you can see all of their most used features such as remove objects, enhance photo, enhance the color, enhance the overall quality of the photo and resolution, and also removing background. And then there are some popular AI tools. So these AI tools are the most popular ones. And then there are also some other tools such as this AI skin, which means it is going to enhance your skin on your image. It is going to remove text. It is going to remove all the wire lines on a photo. You can restore old photos into new ones. You can automatically enhance the lighting of your photo. You can blur the background. You can add shadow, change the sky, edit photo background, and there are so many other features that you can use, other tools that you can use on SnapEdit. But there are also some other features, advanced AI features, and you are going to get access to all of them if you buy any of the tier on Appsumo. And currently I am on this section that is called the start. So here we can only edit one single single image. But if you want to bulk edit a lot of images at once, you can also do that. Just simply go to this batch edit, and now as you can see, you can select up to 50 images at once on here, and then you can edit them, all of them at once. So you can remove all of their backgrounds at once. You can enhance their resolution, their color, their overall quality. You can compress all of those images. You can convert, and you can also add watermark to those images at once, a lot of images at once. So this is how the bulk AI service is going to work. So first of all, let me try this remove objects. I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to select a photo on here. Okay, so here's my picture, and the best part is for removing object, you have two options. You can either leave it to the AI. So if you click on this auto AI on the right side, so what it does is detect all the objects that you have on your image, and then you can remove them just by selecting something here. For example, I want to remove this person, remove this cat, or the person that is detected by the AI. So all I have to do is just click on here and then click on remove. And as you can see, it has been removed. So just see how flawlessly it has been removed. I can also remove this particular cup since the cat or the person is not here anymore. So let's just remove this. And as you can see, it has also been removed. So this is how you can super easily remove by using the AI. Or you can also brush something on your image. For example, if I select this brush, and now for example, if I mark any object on here, for example, I want to mark this particular light. And then all I have to do is just click on remove. And as you can see, this light has been removed flawlessly. So this is how the removing object is going to work. You can either select brush and manually select some object on your image and then click on remove in order to remove that, or you can also leave it to the AI. Other than that, there is also this enhance photo or removing background. Let me try this one. Okay, so as you can see how flawlessly the removing background is going to work. So this was the original picture. And if I see you the result, so here is the result. And as you can see, the result is flawless. And you can even add various colors, solid background to your image. It could be this particular color or this one or anything that you want. And if you want, you can even edit it further. Just click on edit background. And now you can edit anything from here, any stock images or any colors, or you can even upload your own photo in order to add that as background. You can resize it. You can also add shadow. You can also add text once you remove your background. So there is so many options that you have. And if you want to edit the cutout, you can also do that from here or even restore it. Now let me try some other features such as this blur background. So let me open this. So I have uploaded one image, and as you can see, here is the image with blurred background, and here is the original image. The blur looks really good, and the best part is you can even choose the intensity of the blur. So you can reduce it or you can also increase it to all the way to maybe 50, and you can even add various blur effects from here. And then there is also this feature that is going to restore old photos. So let me try this one. Okay, so this was the blurry photo. This was the blurry old photo that I want to repair or restore. So all I have to do is just upload this and then click on restore. And as you can see, just see how amazing the result is. So here's the before and here's the after. So the details on the face have been significantly improved, as you can see. So this is amazing. Now let me try another feature on here, that is this removing text. So this is the particular photo that I have uploaded, and as you can see on top we have the text, maybe not fast but furious. So the AI has automatically detected the text. Now all I have to do is just click on remove. And as you can see, the text has been flawlessly removed by the AI. So almost all the features that I have tested have been amazing. They have produced some great results. And the best part is, if you buy from Appsumo, you can even get all the other AI features, advanced AI features such as super AI remove with skin and so many other features, as well as the access to the mobile application. So overall, I think SnapEdit is an excellent tool that lets you edit your photos using the AI. You do not have to manually do anything. People usually edit their photos with Photoshop or any other applications that require a lot of skills in order to even add the most basic edits. But on SnapEdit, you can even do the most advanced edits without any skill, without wasting a lot of time. You can remove the background, you can enhance your images, you can remove objects, you can remove humans, you can enhance the color of your photo, you can enhance the skin, You can blur the background, you can remove the waterline. There are so many different options that you have with SnapEdit. So if you want to buy it from Appsumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all these features, and these are on top. You can see some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.